Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Ralph. I'm here to do a video on idioms. One set will have to do with animals or animals used in idioms. Okay, I hope you're liking my videos, and if you are, then press the thumbs up button, subscribe, and come see me again so we can learn English. Okay? Thanks for watching. Any comments, write them below. Anything I can do better. And thank you for being here. Okay, let's go on. Idioms with animals. A leopard cannot change its spots. This idiom means that a person's character will not change over time, and a person that has bad qualities will not magically change into being a good person or do the right things. A leopard cannot change its spots. Example: he's been doing bad things as long as I can remember, and you know that a leopard cannot change its spots. Idiom number 2, a snake in the grass. This describes a person who continually does things behind your back or without your knowledge. A snake in the grass, whereby the actions of that person harm you in some way. Idiom: a snake in the grass. Example: her telling my secret to everybody behind my back wasn't what I expected. I can no longer trust her. She is a snake in the grass. Or she is just a snake in the grass. Next idiom: a wild goose chase. It describes a situation in which you are running around everywhere, looking for an item or a solution to some problem without ever finding it. A wild goose chase. You're looking everywhere for it. Okay? Example: the escaped convict cannot be located anywhere. The police are on a wild goose chase at this point. Next idiom: chicken feed. This describes very low wages or salary. A person earning very little money is said to be paid chicken feed. Very little. Example: my salary is laughable. Who can survive on this chicken feed? Next idiom: the lion's share. It means a great amount, or much more than what remains of the whole, the majority, the big majority. Okay? Example: she always tells me that she does the lion's share of the housework and her husband does nothing. The lion's share. It's a dog's life is the next idiom. It's a dog's life. It signifies that one's life is not easy, and that every situation presents a challenge for him or her. It's a dog's life. Example: it's a dog's life, you know. Nothing is ever easy. It's raining cats and dogs. It's raining cats and dogs describes a very intense rainfall. Very intense rainfall. Example: I've never seen such weather. Everything is soaked. It's raining cats and dogs here. Next idiom: your goose is cooked. It describes a bad situation which you no longer have control over. Your goose is cooked. Example: the court case is officially over and your goose is cooked. Now you must face the consequences. It's over. Goose is cooked. Next idiom: to take the bull by the horns. It means to take control of a situation or one's own life. Take control of it. To do what must be done. To take the bull by the horns. And the last definition for this set, the black sheep of the family. It describes a member of the family who stands out from the rest, usually one who does bad things or doesn't fit in. The black sheep of the family. Example: his drug addiction resulted in people labeling him as the black sheep of the family. The black sheep of the family. I will continue with idioms in this video, okay? But they no longer have animals in them, okay? Just someday you might come across and might like. Great minds think alike. This is a self-explanatory idiom showing agreement between two people. Great minds think alike. Okay. Example: I think a vacation would be good for both of us. So do I. Great minds think alike. To give someone the creeps. Okay. This is used to talk about someone or something that gives you the creeps. It makes you feel uncomfortable or afraid in some way. It gives you the creeps. For example, when you talk about haunted houses or skeletons or ghosts, spirits, they might give you the creeps, okay? Example: that woman that keeps staring at me while chopping lettuce gives me the creeps. Something is definitely wrong with her. Next idiom: practice makes perfect. This is an idiom which means that the longer you keep doing something, the better you will get at it. Practice makes perfect. Example: your singing is getting much better now, and I can definitely hear the difference. Practice makes perfect, they say. Practice makes perfect. Next idiom: couldn't be better. It means exactly what it says. Couldn't be better. Couldn't be better signifies that everything is great. Okay, everything is great. Example: my dad was just great. In fact, my day was just great. In fact, it couldn't be better. I got the promotion I wanted. It couldn't be better. To have the best of both worlds. It means that two seemingly different things are simultaneously in your favor. The best of both worlds. Example: not only is he well paid for what he does, he also enjoys the work. He definitely has the best of both worlds. Next idiom: to have two left feet. It means to be clumsy or awkward. Two left feet. Example: I'm definitely not looking forward to the school dance. I'll make a fool of myself. I have 2 left feet. I'm not good at it at all. I have 2 left feet. And the last idiom I have for today: a sight for sore eyes. A sight for sore eyes. This is an expression which means that someone is attractive, or that whatever you're looking for, whatever you're looking at, is pleasing to your sight. A sight for sore eyes. Whatever you're looking at is very pleasing. Example: the view was breathtaking. The mountains were definitely a sight for sore eyes. I hope you've been enjoying these idioms and the videos that I'm making. Thank you for watching them. Again, if you like them, press thumbs up and subscribe and come back to see me. We're gonna learn English, okay? Thank you for coming and see you next time. Bye.